In this video, let's quickly solve this question. Here the question says that sum of first and consecutive positive even integers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. In fact, we should be aware of this kind of property because we already know that one of the relationships is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. Sum of n consecutive integers is given by 1 over 2n into n plus 1. If you multiply this with 2 both sides, then the series becomes 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on till 2n. Then it becomes n into n plus 1. That's what the question is referring to. So even if the question does not give you, this is what we should know. That is all that I am just expecting from you. Now the next thing is, now since we have been given method number 1, that's very easy. S is given by n into n plus 1 and this information is also equivalent to 110. This is an algebraic relationship. It's the question of one of the arithmetic progression. Quickly understand n and n plus 1 are basically two consecutive integers. So just think whether the product of any two consecutive integers satisfies it. For example, 2 into 3 becomes 6, 3 into 4 becomes 12, 4 into 5 becomes 20, and so on. Now you can see it's a multiple of 10, so let's see, 10 into 11 becomes 110. That clearly gives us that n has to be 10 and n plus 1 should be 11. So n becomes 10 and that gives us the answer for what value of n? N is equal to 10. So the answer is option A. That's method 1. Let me quickly discuss with you the method number 2. The method number 2 is, you could also have checked just simply by checking the sum. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus and so on, right? This series is going on and on. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 into 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 30, 42, 56, 72, 90, 110. So the sum of all of them is 110. So just by simply writing the numbers as well, you could have got the answer, in which you know that there are 10 terms that you have added. So n is equal to 10 and that is the answer. That's how you answer such questions, which means not necessarily you should know the basic properties for every question. There are some questions which can be answered even if you just give it some time and then do simple algebraic or arithmetic calculations as needed in the question. Thank you so much for watching it. You can like this video or you can subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much.